great tool. Just pay attention to what you're doing with it. To scarifier teeth, I had them a little bit too low and ended up ripping up the conduit that goes from the house to the sugar shack. I had just buried that by hand. Obviously didn't have it deep enough. So I got some more conduit, some more Romex, the backhoe on the 2025R, and we are going to put it down deep enough so if I ever need to grade the driveway again, that will not end up catching the electrical across. So it's just this just feeds the sub panel over there, so there wasn't too much damage other than pride for getting it where it was. Conduit lined up. Got to run up to the electrical blocks for the block heater for the truck. We'll get this backfilled and we'll get it tied back into the house. Finished up just in the nick of time. It started pouring afterwards, and all this is all now nice and smooth, and I really gotta do something about the driveway here with that. I'm gonna get some like crushed gravel or something in here, but got everything all situated. Was off just a little bit on my distance to the electrical, so I gotta get that situated. That they'll push in fine, seal it up. Put my stays on the conduit and everything will be good to go. What's up, Chowders? So that's that. That's now fish. You got power back over to the sugar shack, and it is now 2.5 feet deep, 3 feet deep below the driveway, so I shouldn't catch it again. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Punch it out.